In a decision that will take the entertainment industry forward by leaps and bounds, the UP government has announced its decision to build the largest film city in India. According to a statement released by the UP government discussing this magnificent new film city project, the CM, while addressing a review meeting, announced to set up the biggest and most beautiful film city of the country in Gautam Buddha Nagar. He instructed officials to search for a suitable land in or around Noida, Greater Noida or Yamuna Expressway and prepare an action plan. With content in Indian cinema and on OTT platforms commanding excellent viewership, the need of the hour seems to be a state-of-the-art facility that will enable producing and creating content of this nature. Now, a film city has been proposed in Gautam Buddha Nagar, and according to the Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authorities, 1,000 acres of land has been allocated and dedicated to this project by the UP government. Take a look. Over the past few years, an increasing number of films have been filmed in various cities and small towns in Uttar Pradesh, whether they are gritty dramas and thrillers like Batla House and Raid, or light-hearted comedies like Ayushmann Khurrana's Bala, Bareli Ki Barfi, and most recently Gulabo Sitabo. Given the growing interest in Uttar Pradesh as a filming location and the comfort filmmakers find shooting there, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath reportedly met many prominent names from the industry like Anupam Kher, singers Kailash Kher, Anup Jalota, Udit Narayan and director-producer Satish Kaushik, and took their insights and suggestions into the facilities and amenities needed to make this new film city one of a kind and completely self-sufficient. The UP government has decided to allocate a massive space of 1,000 acres to this state-of-the-art film city, which will also help in generating employment and encouraging filmmaking talent within the state and draw talent from all over the country. Apart from a vast number of studios, this brand new film city will also have recreational facilities like an amusement park, sports club, budgetary hotels, and food courts. Setups of outdoor shoots are also being proposed, and to ensure that this film city is a one-stop destination for all stages of filmmaking, cutting-edge post-production suites will also be made. Welcoming this initiative by the UP government, Kangana Ranaut shared a post on social media and said, "People's perception that the top film industry in India is the Hindi film industry is wrong. Telugu film industry has ascended itself to the top position and now catering films to pan-India in multiple languages. Many Hindi films being shot in Ramoji, Hyderabad. I applaud this announcement by Yogi Adityanath ji. We need many reforms in the film industry. First of all, we need one big film industry called Indian film industry. We are divided based on many factors. Hollywood films get advantage of this. One industry, but many film cities." Veteran singer Anup Jalota also shared a message thanking Yogi Adityanath and said, "I thank and congratulate UP CM Yogi Adityanath on the announcement of the film city in UP. Mumbai film industry shines because of talents from UP. Now when UP will have a film city, UP will shine." It is indeed wonderful to hear that such vast investments are being made in entertainment industry, and we are looking forward to hearing more details about this brand new film city, which will take Indian television, cinema and web content to newer heights.